am Brooke. I'm from the States, North Carolina, and yeah, I'm here in Madrid now.
Alan Carpenter from Monroe, North Carolina, age 31. Funny enough, we met a guy when we were in Madrid last year in the laundromat, and we were doing our clothes, and he told us all about it, and it kind of scratched us right where we itched. It gave us everything that we wanted, and we went home, started doing our research, and found out that it was pretty spot on to what we were looking for. So we enrolled, and here we are.
We did some research. We actually were here on holiday, and we met somebody who went through the same course, and we started looking into it and thought, you know what, we're gonna do it, and it fit us. The Tt Madrid life and the course fit our life, so we chose it.
And I came to Brooke, and we made the decision together that we both wanted to spend more time together, and we both wanted more time with our child.
Honestly, Madrid kind of chose us. Like I said, we met somebody while we were traveling on holiday at the laundromat, who was also from the States and went through the course, and it just kind of weighed on our hearts. And throughout the point before we chose it, it just was like everything was pointing to Madrid. So it chose us. It just happened.